Good morning students, Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine. And students, today we are going to learn a new lesson of GK, and the name of the chapter is Invention Go Places. In this we are going to see the things which were invented by the different inventors. Okay. First, James Watt. James Watt, an inventor from Scotland, is credited with the invention of the steam engine in the 18th century. Miss James Watt was a person from which country? He was from the Scotland, and what he had invented first? He had invented the steam engine in the 18th century. Okay, then second, machine similar to bicycles were first invented in the early 18th century. Means what was invented earlier? A machine similar to the bicycles. Okay. Dressing was invented in 1817 by the Baron Carey von Dress de Sorybron, and was considered by many as the first two-wheeled ride-propelled machine. What they have invented in 1817? They have invented a machine similar to the bicycle, and it was invented by whom? It was invented by a inventor whose name was Baron Carl von Dres de Sauerbrunn. Okay, and he was considered as the first two-wheeler rider propelled machines. Okay, that was invented by him. It was only in the 19th century that machines similar to the modern bicycles were produced. And what had happened? That the model bicycles were produced from when it was it was invented in 19th century. Okay, then third was what? It was the engine machine. Okay, and it was Richard Trevithick of Britain built the first working railway engine in 1803. What he had invented first? He has invented the railway engine in 1803. And from which country he was? He was from Britain. Okay, it was powered by steam. In the 1820th century, George Stephenson designed and built the first steam locomotive to carry goods and passengers. Means the person who has invented the first this railway engine was again designed by whom? It was designed by George Stephenson, and he has designed and built what? He has designed and built the first steam locomotive to carry what? The goods and passengers. Okay, then third one, next one, and who are they? They are the person who has invented the first flight. Okay, so now we are going to read about them. The Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur, were two American brothers who invented and built the world's first aeroplane. What they have invented first? They had invented the first aeroplane. And from which country they were? They were from America. Okay, they were also the first to fly the plane for only 12 seconds and for a distance of 36 meter. Okay, they were the person who had invented what? They have invented the aeroplane, and therefore from which country? They were from America. Okay, now next. Okay, now we are going to read about the another inventor, and what he had invented, that we are going to see now. Carl Benz from Germany designed the first practical automobile powered by a petrol run engine in 1885. Means who had it invented that first automobile powered by the petrol run engine? It was invented by Carl Benz, and he is from which country? He was from Germany. And when he had invented that? In 1885. He named it the motor wagon. Okay, what name he had given to that invention? He has given the name motor wagon. Okay, after that next, and that is of what that we are going to read now. Edward Butler created the first commercial design of the motorcycle by at, attaching a motor to a tricycle in 1884. Means the person name is Edward Butler. Created what? He had created the commercial design of the motorcycle by attaching a motor to a tricycle. And when he had invented that? In 1884. The next year, Gottlieb Daimler of Germany, means the another person of Germany only, attach a small petrol run engine to a bicycle. And what he had done into it? He had attached a small petrol run engine to what? To the bicycle. Okay students, after that now we are going to read the quick quiz. In this we are going to read the question and we have to give the answer. They have given the answer down only, we can see that now. So we have to read the question and have to give the answer. First one, this is a railway system where a train runs on a track with one rail only, either above or beneath the railway cars. And what is that? That is monorail. What is the name of that railway? It is called as monorail. Okay, now second one, a form of transportation where a cabin hangs from one cable and is pulled by another cable. And what is the name of that transportation? It is ropeway. What is the name of that thing? That is ropeway. Now third one, this vehicle can travel over both land and water. And what is the name of that? That is hovercraft. Okay, the name of that invention was hovercraft. Okay, fourth one, this vehicle is used by astronauts and space explorers. And what they have invented? They have invented space shuttle. Okay, they have invented space shuttle. So students, what you are going to do now? You are going to read and you are also going to write in your textbook. Okay students, so bye and take care of yourself.